Hello, welcome to the second tutorial for commissioning of the network in the STEINEL app. Then, when we have created a project, then we have the option via the plus button to make a new network. Then you have the option to import an existing network or create a new network. If you want to create a new network, this could be, for example, a floor or a staircase or part of a building. For example, floor 1, we call it. Then we have created the network, and then we have in the next step the option to create groups and find the products or to put the products in the network. We have the option to add in group or as a single product, but this we show in the next video.